This tastes really nice. So we're here at the Durian farm. So these are durian trees over here, and then this is Mount Ophir, so we're gonna go there later to go to the waterfall. And yeah, there's some like durian trees over here. Now we're going to be going through a durian trail, and I think the trees around here are around like about 50 to 70 years old. Yeah, they're quite old. And after we're going through here, we're going to be going to the mountain, and there's going to be like a waterfall there as well. Alright guys, so this is the entrance to the mountain, and we're gonna head up the mountain to go to the Gunung Ledang, which means Ledang mountain, and up ahead we're gonna go to the waterfall and go do some swimming and playing and stuff. So this is like the entrance here, and like the parking and stuff. So now we're gonna head over onto the Ophir waterfalls ahead. I'm not sure if you guys can hear, but like the sound of the waterfall is really loud. I think you can see it over there. It's right over there. Look at this rock, that is huge. Alright, we're coming. It's huge! Wow! And it feels so cold as well. Look at that! It's like a water slide. Oh wow! Look at that! It's huge! I'm gonna go up there later. Woo. 3, 2, go! Whoa! Woo! It's freezing again. Woo. The water's so cold. Go up there, so I'm gonna be careful because these rocks are slippery.